Welcome to our tutorial on how to send one-time viewed videos on WhatsApp. In this updated guide, we will walk you through the steps to easily send a video that can only be viewed once by the recipient. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Then, start a chat with the person or group you want to send the video to. Next, tap the camera icon within the chat and choose the video you want to send. You have the option to either take a new video or select one from your gallery. Before sending the video, you need to enable the View Once feature. To do this, tap the icon displaying 1 in the text box. This sets the media as View Once, ensuring that the recipient can only view the video once. Finally, tap the Send button to share the View Once video with your contact or group. Once the recipient views the video, it will disappear and they won't be able to view it again. Sending one-time viewed videos on WhatsApp is a great way to share sensitive or private content with peace of mind. Just follow these simple steps, and you'll be able to send View Once videos easily and securely. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide was helpful in learning how to send one-time viewed videos on WhatsApp. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on our channel.